All right, YouTube. I just put up 4 videos on the Cub Cadet maintenance, something that I've really neglected on this. So we've done everything: oil filter, spark plugs, air filter, new hood, catch, latch, new tires, and you notice something's missing, right? Well, Mr. Dumbass, that's me, went and found a tree root. Actually, I don't even think it was a tree root. I think it was a tree that I had cut down, and I didn't cut it down low enough. Anyway, the lawnmower stopped and the blade started smoking. So I blew up a spindle. And I'm actually happy that that's the part that broke and it wasn't something else. So it looks like the 2 front ears broke off it, which caused the blade to go cattywampus, and it just wouldn't spin. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. This is coming up later. Looks like I need some brake shoes. Yeah, they're getting kind of low. Probably Christmas time. Not a whole lot of times I run the mower without the blade on. So I think that should last till Christmas. So, Amazon. Yeah, baby. The Amazon. I ordered these. I think I can do an affiliate link on them. This comes with everything. This was $25 a piece. There go the bolts. So you get 4 new bolts. The torque for these, I just Googled it, 25 foot-pounds. The torque for this is 90 plus foot-pounds. And then here's the new spindle. This is the 6-bladed star. It's got a nice little protector cap on it. Let me put the phone down so I don't drop it. This thing spins. Woo! Controversy. So, there's grease in there. And if you've never taken one of these apart, this is your shaft, which is sitting like that in there. This goes to the pulley down there. This one does not have any grease fittings at all. This is the factory one. It's like 2016, I think the tractor was built. And then you got sealed bearings in there, both front and rear. There is a, see the shaft in there, or there's a word for that. I am just exhausted, guys. But that rides in there, and without grease, other than factory grease, that's lasted 481 hours. So this is going to put grease inside there. The controversy is take this apart and take this little cap off there, and then grease can get on the inside of it. And there's other people that say, no, when the grease gets hot, it will leak out the other cap. And you know what? These seal bearings lasted me 481 hours. No grease in there. I'm not going to be cutting grass with this tractor in 10 years. I just need to get through this and next year. And maybe then I'll start hiring people to do it. But anyway, this grease fitting will put grease inside there on this shaft, which will make this last longer, which is more than I need for it to last. Simple operation. I took the deck off. This bad boy is going to sit right in there. Got to get the. So there's a few things you need to move out of the way, but you get the gist. You get the gist. I got to take this off. I'm going to replace both of them because why not? I mean, they're 25 bucks a piece. Here is, looks like 618-06977A. That is the number that I Googled on Amazon, and that's what they sent me. I'm going to say it looks pretty damn close. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stand the deck up. I'm going to put those 4 bolts in there. I am not going to grease it. They say it's pre-greased. And then I'm going to torque them to 25 foot-pounds, and then we'll take that one off. Okay, got my anti-seize out. Got my 4 bolts in. Just kind of snugged them. Got this guy on snug, and what I'm checking for is that the blade rotates freely, which it does. And I mean, there's a little bit clearance issue there, but not much. This guy right here. It's close. See how tight that is? Listen to that noise. Listen to this. Yeah, makes noise too. Oh, that's the brake up top holding it. Yeah, that's what that noise is. So 25 on these guys, and then 90 on that guy. And that side's changed. Change that one out. And then we'll throw this back on the machine and make sure it works. And that really, that got its butt. She got good smacked. Good smacked up. Torque wrench time. All right, so I got about a half hour into the job. Got the cover plate back on. Got everything all nice. The belt's, yeah, it's 10 years old. Still looks good. But if it does break, it's an easy fix. I can get it off there. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the deck back on, and I'm gonna go mow some grass. Yep, she's ready to rock and roll. Took me another 20 minutes to get that deck back on, because we all know how fun they are. So now she's ready to go out and do some mowing. I was even able to straighten that wheel while I had the deck off. I had to get my tubular steel and my adjustable wrench on there, and then I just cranked on it. That was the first thing I hit with a tree. That thing was bent out to the 3 o'clock position. So there you go. That's the replacement spindle. Everything's been done on this thing now. This thing has been 10 years of neglect to 1 year of total love. She's gotten all kinds of parts in her. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll put an affiliate link down in the bottom and on the Amazon for those spindles. And make sure you buy the one that comes with a nut. Because some people said that there's different thread sizes. I will tell you that the bolts that came out of that spindle were tiny bolts. And the bolts that went in, those were 8s. The ones that went in were 13s. So make sure you get all the hardware when you buy a spindle. It's the best way to do it. See you guys.